Hi everyone, my name's Abul and welcome back to CRTV, powered by City Realtor. Before we start, I want to remind you that this is a brand new channel, so please do remember to like and subscribe. There is a cost of living crisis in the UK at the moment, and many people are being affected by it. There's many political things in play that the average Joe like me or you can't really change or have any control over. But what you do have control over is your own income. Whether you run your own business or in a full-time job, you can always make money from referrals. So what do I mean by referrals? Have you ever noticed when you're on holiday, your driver might try and convince you to go to a textiles factory or force you to buy argan oil? Well, they do that in the hope that you buy something, and if you do, that shop or factory will break off a little something for the driver. And that's one of the ways they top up their income. Now, I'm not saying you should try and become a driver or drop people off to tourist sites, but the situation in the UK is being called a crisis. Therefore, we need to try and think outside the box. Many people are obviously going to figure out clever ways of saving money, but you should also be thinking about clever ways to make money. So how do you go about doing this? Let me give you an example. We at City Realtor have a referral scheme whereby if you refer a landlord or a seller, which is a vendor, as we say in the industry, then we will give you a percentage of that sale or a percentage of the rental deal. If we sell a property that you have referred, and let's say that property sells for around £500,000, we would earn a sale fee of £10,000 based on a 2% fee. You could earn up to 25% of the sale fee, which would be £2,500. The great thing about percentages is that the more expensive the property is, the higher your referral fee becomes. And we've found that when it comes to estate agents, people love to go with recommendations. That's why we get 80% of our customers through word of mouth. And it'll be the same for many other small businesses. Now, I'm not talking about restaurants or shops with small ticket items. Think a little bigger. The sales services should be in the thousands to ensure that you get a decent referral fee. Builders, for example. I know many people that make a lot of money by referring jobs to builders. And this would be for semi-large jobs, not like changing a sink or something. More like loft conversions or extensions. Things like this can easily cost around £50,000 to £100,000. Think about self-employed people too, like accountants, quantity surveyors, software engineers, even film production companies. You do need to vet the companies. Make sure you don't refer companies that may end up giving a bad service and in turn ruin your reputation and your credibility as a referrer. And also get something in writing between you and the company to ensure that you get paid at the end of the transaction. I hope this gets many of you thinking and hopefully earning thousands of pounds through referral fees. I hope the video was helpful and I'll see you in the next video.